Like, I don't even know how to start this video. I really don't. Other than, like, please don't kill me. I mean, like, seriously, please, Shane and Jeffrey, do not kill me for this video. Do not, like, end me. Do not end my channel. Like, I have a family. Like, please don't bury me in Mexico or something like that. Oh my God, please don't. So I'm just gonna be honest, I am sick to death right now. Like, I mean, just sick to my stomach. I have never been so sick and nervous about doing a video in my entire time doing YouTube. And it sucks because I was really excited for this video. Like, I was so excited. I mean, you guys are getting ready to see how excited I was. And now I'm like sick and nervous and, well, yeah. So I guess let's just start at the beginning. So earlier today, I got my Shane Dawson palettes, and yeah, let's go to earlier today. Guess what, you guys? It's here! I'm so excited! What's up, everybody? Alexandra here, and I can't even tell you guys how stinking excited I am to be finally holding this box in my hands right now. Like, it's kind of surreal, to be quite honest. Like, oh my God, you guys have no idea how much I went through to get this box, and to finally be holding it, it's just like just take a moment, you know what I'm saying? But let's not, because I really want to get into it. And I actually have 2 more boxes coming, and I'll tell you guys about that here in just a second. But let's go ahead and crack open to this. And I got to give a big shout out to Ray Forces, because this would not be possible without him, you guys. He made this possible for me, and he made this possible for you guys. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, you might want to stay tuned. But let's go ahead and crack this open, because I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So I've never ordered anything from Beautylish before. That paper, you guys, holy smokes. Like, wow. Wow. Okay. All right. I mean, I'm feeling that. Here it is. Here it is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys have no idea. You just have no idea. And if you want a little bit of an idea, watch my video that I posted Sunday, which you want to watch anyways, because I got some goodies in there for you. I'm just saying, I'll link it up here. Don't say I didn't warn you. But, okay. And you guys have no idea. Cadence and I have been watching Shane for so long, which, by the way, Shane, you owe us a conspiracy video. I'm just saying, you do, okay? You said we were gonna get one, you never gave us one. But look, okay, oh my gosh. So this packaging, oh my God, it's like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is just like, it feels so nice. And that's what he said in the videos. So let's open the little one first. Oh my gosh, I don't wanna hurt the packaging. Oh my God. So I do have a giveaway coming for you guys too. You don't want to miss out on that. And you're going to be getting one of these right here. I tried to get you guys a big one, but they were out, and I'm sorry. I really tried, but I did get you lipsticks. So you're going to get a palette, and you're going to get some of the Shane lips, and I got the Shane gloss. And are you ready? Oh my God. Oh, hey, I'm just like saying that I'm surprised that there's not like a clear thing across here to protect this. I mean, like, I thought maybe it was stuck to it, but there's not one. So that's kind of a little like lackluster, I guess. I don't want to say lackluster, but kind of lackluster. But oh my God, you guys, look at that. So the mirror in here is really nice. It's very heavy. I mean, it's just like the packaging on the Jawbreaker Mini. I mean, very clear, nice mirror. So that is absolutely gorgeous. All right, so let's get out Big Daddy here. Okay, I don't want to ruin the packaging. I kind of bent it a little bit. I kind of made like a little bend in it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I mean, it's just kind of like a kind of flimsy kind of thing, but this, ooh, oh my gosh, like look at that, you guys. I mean, like, can you guys see that? Like, it's literally raised up out of there. I mean, that is some really sleek packaging. Holy smokes. Okay, are we ready? I love these little clasps here. This is just, ooh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Hello, gorgeous. Oh my God, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna try not to flash you and show you the palette. Oh my God. Oh, it's just so gorgeous. I love these little emblems. I love that Jeffree Star does these little emblems and little deals on here. This is just too much. It's just too much. I'm so stinking excited. So look, you guys have seen the swatches. You guys have heard all the information, and it's Jeffree Star formula. We know it's amazing. It applies well. We already know these things. So let's go ahead. I want to create a look for you guys, and I want to create something because I know a lot of you guys have a hard time blending, have a hard time doing looks, and with a formula like this, you shouldn't have a lot of issues. So I want to create a very wearable look for you guys and show you just really the possibilities of this palette, because obviously you can go all out with these bright colors, but let's do something wearable. I mean, I'm loving these, and I can't wait to dip my brush in them, but let's do something wearable. All right, let's get into it, you guys. And then I started filming the try-on portion of the video, which I could not wait to do. You guys already know I love Shane. I love Jeffree Star and his products. I love them so much. So I could not wait to dig into these palettes and get them on my face and get this video up today. Like, I plan on getting it up today. But the issue is, as I started applying the products, I started like running into problems, and problems that I don't normally have, and I especially don't have with Jeffree Star's formula and Jeffree Star shadows. And I mean, let me say this, if a palette is super pigmented, it is going to have a ton of fallout or kick up or whatever you want to call it. It just is. But a lot of times the trade-off is it's super blendable, it's easy to apply, it lays down on top of each other really nicely. And I was having issues blending certain colors, and when I say fallout, I mean like this was extra, like extra. Like this color, my boyfriend's purse right here, and then some of these colors, like as they were applying really patchy. And I'm gonna put up like little screens so you guys can see like what I'm talking about, like controversy and my apology. Like, this is a shimmer color. This I should not have had issues applying. It should not have applied patchy. But I mean, it was literally like, as soon as you dipped your brush into it and laid it down, wherever you laid that brush down, all the pigment was laying down right where you put that brush, and instead of it dispersing evenly everywhere. So at that point, I was like, okay, maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm having an off day. So I stopped filming. I went upstairs. My kids got home from school. Cadence was really excited to see these palettes. So me and her were checking them out. And when she was looking at the Big Conspiracy palette, and she was like, oh my God, I love that color, Trisha. So this color, Trisha, is this really bright pink. And I was like, you know what? That looks really similar to the Jawbreaker, to that pink in the Jawbreaker palette, which is one of my favorite colors to use. So I know that pink very well. It is this one right here, and it's called Cotton Candy. So I was like, I wonder how close these two are to one another. So I'm going to swatch them. This one's Cotton Candy and this one's Trisha. And I'm just going to show you guys. So this is Cotton Candy and this is Trisha. So as you guys can see, they are definitely and noticeably different. One is a lighter pink shimmer shade. The other one is a little bit darker and has more of a red undertone to it. But at the end of the day, they are both pink shimmer shades, and they should apply, if they're made by the same factory and the same formula, they should apply exactly the same. They shouldn't really be a huge difference between the two. But I'm telling you guys right now, there is a very, very big difference. And I've been playing in these palettes all day long, comparing them side by side after that. Like, I applied both of them over top of shades by themselves, and the Trisha, I mean, it doesn't lay down like the cotton candy does. It just doesn't. And when I apply it by itself, it just applies very patchy, and it's not as smooth. It's a lot more powdery and grittier than the cotton candy is. And there's just definitely a difference in formula. So I started searching around my beauty room, and I found my Jawbreaker carton, which has all the ingredients listed. And then of course I have my conspiracy carton because I just got that today. Now, as you guys can see, this writing is super, super tiny. So I literally had to get out my magnifying glass, no joke, you guys, and like really like get down on it. And I wrote out all the ingredients and compared them to the conspiracy palette and wrote down all those ingredients. And I looked up because, you know, at the end of the day, they could have similar ingredients, and they do. They have the same ingredients. They're just listed in a different order. And so I'm like, okay, well, maybe it's just like different pigments. Maybe it's just different colors, different, you know, how much mica they use, because this one needed to be more pink and things like that. But here's a good example. In the color that we're talking about, Trisha versus Cotton Candy, one of the very first ingredients in the conspiracy palette is synthetic flogophyte. I'm gonna put it down here for you guys. Okay, but when you look this ingredient up, it literally, this is what it is. It is a bulking agent that increases volume of the product. And this is the very first ingredient that's listed in this conspiracy palette. You know, so basically it's that ingredient's job is to make it look like the product is bigger and expand more than what is actually in there, which is why it's crumbling apart like it is, and it's applying as patchy as it is. I'm just telling you guys this because, look, I don't want you to get this and be thinking that you're gonna get something like Jawbreaker when you're not, because there's obviously a very big difference. And look, I love you guys, and I love Jeffree Star, and I love Shane, but you guys know I have to be honest. I have to keep things real on my channel. That's just the way that I am, and I have to be true to myself. And I'm so sorry. Like, I'm so sorry, you guys, and I'm so sorry to Shane and Jeffree. Like, I don't mean to like put you guys on blast like this, but I have to be honest, you guys, and let you know my true opinion about this. And it sucks because I really wanted to love, like, honestly, this Jawbreaker palette is my favorite palette of all time. Like, of all time. I love playing in this thing. This thing inspires me. I love it. And I was thinking that this was going to be the same way. I could not wait. I mean, you guys, I cried over this thing. I really did. When I didn't think I was going to get it, I cried over it. Like, I can't even tell you how many times I've cried over this palette. I was so wanting to love this palette. And let me say, it's great. It really is great. But it's just not up to the standard that the Jawbreaker was for me. And I'm just being honest with you guys. And I'm so sorry. So please don't hate me. Please don't leave me. I am so sorry. Please understand that I'm just really trying to be honest with you guys. And look, this is the look that I created with it. I did get a very beautiful, you know, obviously this is not the wearable look that I have planned and had done earlier, but this is like, you know, 20 looks later, because like I said, I was playing in these palettes all day. And if you guys want to know how I created this look, I did film it. I actually filmed a lot of the looks that I created, so I can put that video up for you, so just let me know down below. And I guess let's talk about this giveaway and stuff, because I still have a giveaway for you guys. And you know, Ray still did get you guys a palette and did get you guys lipsticks and stuff, so let's talk about that. Okay, so as far as the giveaway goes, I tried very, very, very hard to get you guys a set of both the mini controversy and the conspiracy palette. I had 2 of them in my cart. I tried to check out with 2 of them, but it would only let me check out with 1, I'm guessing because they sold out, which really, really upset me. But then Jeffree Star did his Snapchat and said that they forgot to put products on his website. So that's when I went back and I picked up the mini controversy because they were sold out of the conspiracies. And then I got the lipstick set. So for lipsticks and the mini controversy, which is what will be in this giveaway, all you have to do to enter is, of course, not hate me. Don't send me hate mail. Don't unsubscribe. So you have to be subscribed. You have to like this video. And then I want you to comment down below, what is your all-time favorite makeup product? Like, it could be a drugstore product, it could be a high-end product, it could be like just a product. You could just say, you know, my favorite products are lipsticks or palettes, or if you have a specific lipstick or a specific palette. Like, I want to know, what is your all-time, like, if you could only ever own one makeup product for the rest of your life, what product would that be? Like, what product would you cannot live without? What is your all-time favorite product? Let me know down below. That's all you guys got to do to enter to win. And I'm gonna say it one last time, if you guys have not had a chance to check out my video that I posted this past Sunday, I highly, highly, highly suggest you do, because it is, after all, a subscriber appreciation celebration. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put that video right here for you if you want to watch it, which you want to watch it, okay? And that's all I'm going to say about that. So until next time, I love you guys so, so, so very much. Thank you guys for understanding. I hope you guys understand about this video. I hope you understand. Like, I'm so sorry about this video. I really am. And I love you, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.